Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve Olympiad math problem, that is square root 50 plus square root 10 divided by square root 50 minus square root 10. We will solve this question step by step in two methods. First of all, we will discuss the method 1, in which we will rationalize the given expression. So we will solve this as, first of all, write the question, that is square root 50 plus square root 10 divided by square root 50 minus square root 10. Now we will multiply this by opposite of this, that is square root 50 plus square root 10 and square root 50 plus square root 10. Now here we apply the two formulas. First of all, a plus b into a plus b, that means a plus b whole square, and the other formula in the denominator is a minus b into a plus b, means we have a square minus b square. So we know the third formula also, a plus b whole square, means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will apply these formulas in this question. According to that, we have in the next step square root 50 plus square root 10 whole square divided by square root 50 square minus square root 10 square. Now a plus b whole square means we have a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into a is square root 50 and square root 10 divided by 50 minus 10. This square is cancelled out and this square is cancelled out. Now we have 60, 50 plus 10 is 60, 60 plus 2 square root 50 square root 10 divided by 50 minus 10, 40. Now in the next step we will solve this as, take this will be common as 60 plus, when we write this will be 2 multiply 10, because we know that square root 50 can be write as square root 5 multiply square root 10, and this will be multiplied by square root 10. So it means square root 5 into 10. So it means 10 into square root 5 and divided by 40. Now this will be, when we simplify this will be 3, because then when we take 20 as common, so 3 plus square root 5 divided by 2. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve by the second method. Now this will be the method 2, in which square root 50 can be write as square root 10 square root 5 plus square root 10 divided by square root 10 dot square root 5 minus square root 10. So we have square root 5 plus 1 divided by square root 5 minus 1, because square root 10 can be taken as common in the denominator and numerator, and both are cancelled out. Now we have square root 5 plus 1 and square root 5 minus 1. Now we will rationalize this, so get square root 5 plus 1 divided by square root 5 minus 1, multiply this by square root 5, opposite of this plus 1 and square root 5 plus 1. So here we apply a plus b whole square formula. According to that, square root 5 square plus 1 square plus 2 into ab means square root 5 divided by 5 minus 1, that is 4. So 6 plus 2 square root 5 divided by 4. Now we will take 2 as common, so we get 3 plus square root 5 by 2. This will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another most important Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.